Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about how to use A&D function and OR function in Microsoft Excel. Here I will give one example to illustrate this topic. Please watch this video till the end. Okay. And first of all, let me say something about the two logical function A&D and OR. First of all, let's talk about A&D function. A&D function is generally used in the situations that if we want to fulfill two or more conditions at the same time, if we have to fulfill two or more conditions at the same time, then we will use A&D function. It returns the results either true or false. If all the conditions are satisfied, then it will return the result as the true. Otherwise it will return the result as a false. Okay, first of all, let me take the A&D functions, and here the case 1. Let me just read the case 1. We have to print the name of the goods. Here in column A, goods, column B for the quantity, and the column C for the total cost. And in the case 1, we want to print the name of the goods in this column D that fulfills these two conditions simultaneously. Here the conditions are: quantity should be exactly 2 and the total cost should be more than 150. If we fulfill these two conditions at the same time, then we will print the name of the goods in this column D. Okay, let me take A and D functions, because here we have to fulfill these two conditions at the same time. Quantity should be exactly 2 and the total cost should be more than 150. We are going to fulfill these two conditions at the same time, so we have to use A and D functions to fulfill these two conditions at the same time. It is the logical function. A and D function is a logical function. It returns the result either true or false. Okay, let me use the A and D functions here in this cell. Okay, equals to, and let me take the if conditions. Okay, and here for the if conditions, the arguments are logical test, and the next is value if true, and the next one is value if false. Let me take the logical test as a and D functions, because we have to fulfill these two conditions at the same time, so we have to use the A and D functions. Okay, and the conditions for A and D functions are: the quantity should be exactly 2. Let me take the cell for the quantity. Okay, this is the cell representing the quantity. This should be exactly 2. It is one condition, and the next condition is the total cost. Okay, let me take the cell for the total cost. This should be greater than 150. Okay, 150, and let's close the parenthesis here. These are the two conditions for the A and D functions which we have to fulfill that. And if these two conditions fulfill at the same time, then we will print the result as the goods name. Okay, otherwise, let me give the comma, otherwise we will print the result as a blank. Okay, let me take the double quotations marks only for the blank result. Okay, this is the formula. Let me just hit the enter, and then the formula will appear in the cell. Okay, here in the first cell the formula is this, and here the result is the blank. This means these two conditions are not fulfilled at the same time, so the result is here blank. Okay, let me apply this formula to each cells here. Okay, and here the formula is applied to every cells here. Okay, let me just discuss about this cell, this row. Okay, here the quantity is exactly 2, first condition is fulfilled, and the total cost is greater than 150, second condition is also fulfilled. These two conditions are fulfilled at the same time, so the result is the name of the goods. Here the name of the goods is biscuits, so we have print here as a biscuits as a result of A and D functions, because we have fulfilled these two conditions at the same time. Here these two conditions are fulfilled, and the result is here the name of the goods. Similarly, here others results are shown here. Okay, this is the way of how to use A and D function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let me take the OR function. Okay, let me clear first this data. Okay, let me use the A and D functions. Sorry, let me use the OR functions here, and let me talk about little bit about the OR function. OR function is a logical function like A and D function. It gives the results either true or false. If at least one condition, among the given condition is fulfilled, then the result will be always true. otherwise result will be always false. For the true result of a OR function, we have to fulfill at least one conditions among the given condition. Okay, let me take the case 2 here. Case 2 is quantity should be exactly 5. This is one condition, or we have to fulfill the next conditions. Cost should be more than 100, should be more than 500. If one conditions among these two conditions is fulfilled, then the result will be true, otherwise the result will be false. We are just going to take the OR function because we have to fulfill at least one conditions among these given conditions. So here we have just taken OR function. Let me apply the formula for this case in this cell. Okay, let me apply the formula. We are just going to print the name of the goods in this column D that fulfills at least one conditions among these two conditions. Okay, let me apply the formula here. Let me take the if conditions first, and then for the logical test we have to use here OR function. Okay, OR function, because we are just going to fulfill at least one conditions among these two conditions. And the arguments for the OR conditions, the conditions for the OR are the quantity should be exactly 5. Let me take this cell for the quantity. This should be exactly 5. This is one condition. Or we have the options, or the cost should be more than 500. Okay, let me take the cell for the cost. This should be more than 500. If at least one conditions among these two conditions is fulfilled, then the result will be, okay, let me close the parenthesis for the OR function, and the result will be name of the goods here. Otherwise we will print the result as the blank. Okay, and let's close the parenthesis. Here we have just typed the formula according to the conditions. Okay, here we have just taken OR function as a logical test and then hit the enter. Here our formula is applied for the first cell. Let me drag and drop to every cells. Okay, and here we can see the result of this first row is here blank, because neither of these two conditions is fulfilled here. The quantity is not exactly 5, or here the cost is not more than 500. These two conditions are not fulfilled here. We have to fulfill at least two conditions, but neither of them are fulfilled here, so the result is blank here. Let me take this cell. Here the quantity is not exactly 5, but here the total cost is more than 500. So here we have print the result as the goods name, because we have fulfilled at least one conditions among these two conditions. So the result is here true. Result is here the name of the goods. Okay, here one condition that the total cost more than 500 is fulfilled. Only one condition is fulfilled here, so we have print the result as the name of the goods. We have to fulfill at least one conditions among the given conditions to print the result as the name of the goods. Okay, let me have a look on this row. Here the quantity is exactly 5, but here the total cost is not more than 500. Here we have just fulfilled the one conditions, that condition is exactly 5, so the result is the name of the goods. Here we have just fulfilled these first conditions, quantity is exactly 5, so the result is the name of the goods. Similarly, here in the last row the quantity is exactly 5, but the total cost is not more than 500. Only one condition is satisfied here, so the result of OR function is the name of the goods. Okay, in this way we can use the two logical function A and D and OR function in Microsoft Excel. In our next video we will discuss more about such types of the functions in Microsoft Excel. So please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you all of you.